This 2025 Suzuki Street GSX just redefined speed. You're looking at one of the most anticipated superbikes of the year, and for good reason. Suzuki has thrown everything they have into this machine, blending cutting-edge technology, insane power, and sleek street-focused design into one beast of a ride. From the moment you see it, you know this isn't just another GSX. The sharp lines, aggressive fairings, and aerodynamic tweaks make it look fast even when it's standing still. But trust me, when you twist that throttle, you'll realize it's not just about looks. Under the fairings sits an upgraded inline-4 engine that delivers mind-blowing horsepower, pushing this superbike into a whole new realm of performance. Riders who have tested it can't stop talking about how responsive it feels. You roll on the power and it's like the bike is reading your mind, delivering instant torque that pins you back and keeps pulling all the way through the rev range. Suzuki didn't just throw a massive engine into a pretty frame. They reworked the entire chassis to handle the speed this thing can deliver. The new lightweight aluminum frame improves rigidity while cutting down weight, giving riders better flickability through tight corners and unmatched stability on high-speed straights. The suspension is fully adjustable front and rear, with Showa components that keep you glued to the road, whether you're carving through twisties or hitting triple digits on the freeway. And the electronics suite is next level. The 2025 GSX Street comes with a sophisticated IMU-based traction control system, multiple ride modes, cornering ABS, and wheelie control, all tunable through a bright, easy-to-read TFT display. Suzuki even added smartphone connectivity so you can tweak settings, get navigation, and check diagnostics right from your device. Let's talk about the sound, because this bike doesn't just look fast, it sounds like a weapon. The exhaust note has been tuned for a throaty growl at idle and a screaming howl at redline. People will hear you coming from blocks away, and you'll love every decibel. And while all this power and tech might sound intimidating, Suzuki designed the GSX Street to be approachable too. The ergonomics are surprisingly comfortable for a bike this aggressive, with a slightly raised handlebar and adjustable rear sets to give you the best balance between street comfort and track-ready positioning. Even the seat is designed with longer rides in mind, giving you the confidence to push the limits without breaking your back. One of the biggest things setting this bike apart is how it blends street practicality with superbike DNA. It's just as happy tearing up the city streets as it is blasting down a track straightaway. Commuters might not need 200 horsepower under their wrist, but Suzuki knows the thrill is half the reason you ride a bike like this. And the styling will turn heads wherever you go. From the LED headlights to the sleek tail section, the GSX Street screams performance. Suzuki has thrown in premium finishes too, paint that pops in the sunlight, carbon fiber accents, and subtle badging that lets people know this is no ordinary machine. And if you're worried about keeping all that power in check, don't be. The new braking system is a game changer. Brembo calipers grip massive rotors, delivering incredible stopping power with superb feel at the lever. Combined with the advanced electronics, you'll feel in total control even when you're pushing the limits. Early reviews are calling this the best GSX yet, and it's easy to see why. It's not just a step forward, it's a huge leap for Suzuki's superbike lineup. For riders who want a bike that feels alive under them, that rewards skill and demands respect, the 2025 Suzuki Street GSX is going to be hard to beat. So if you've been waiting for a superbike that redefines what it means to go fast, this is it. Get ready to see these tearing up the streets, dominating the track, and filling up your social feed, because everyone's going to want a piece of this machine. The 2025 Suzuki Street GSX isn't just a superbike, it's a statement that the king is back, and it's faster, smarter, and wilder than ever. So go ahead, twist that throttle and feel what redefining speed really means.